Hey everybody, this is Adam.
And this is Aiden from
the Backyard Barbecue Boys! Yeah! Coming at you
with
a steak video.
Yeah!
That's right. We're going to take this nice porterhouse steak. We're going to season it up with some SPG that we made. And we're going to throw it into the power air fryer. And we're going to reverse sear it on a cast iron skillet.
It's going to be the most delicious meal ever. So, guys, just check it out. You know, it's going to lose.
Yeah, let's do it.
It teaches you how to make steak.
Num-nums.
So, let's get to it.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it. We're going to cut the sucker open.
Yep.
With a nice Danko knife. We learned about this knife from
Blue Game.
That's right.
He's one of our
Open that sucker up. Turn it on. Do 350. I'm gonna take it out of the air fryer. Check the temp. Ooh, it's 135 actually. I might have overdone it just a little bit, but we'll see. Let this pan get up to temp, and then we'll sear it off. Put some avocado oil in there. I'm gonna throw the sucker on there. Might have overdone it a little bit, but we'll see. Doesn't look too shabby right now. Not too bad at all.
A few moments later.
Might be overdone. Just need Aiden to try it next.
Is it recording?
It is recording. And 80 is the taste tester.
Oh yeah. That's ridiculous. Oh yeah, I just got the bag piece. Oh yeah, that's good.
Does it pass the test? Need nothing?
I think that's the best steak you ever done.
Wow. Kudos to Dad.
Kudos to 80.
Yeah. That's good.
Kudos to you, buddy.
I'm just pumping.
Juicy, right?
That
Hands first.
That's the whole part of eating meat. Getting dirty. Look at that salty piece. Look at that.
This doesn't look too tender.
Oh yeah, that's good. This is gonna be a juicy deal.
Yes, he's wearing an inside-out shirt so he can go to sleep and have a snowstorm.
Tastes good.
Whoa, 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 whoa! That was a giant piece, dude. Really? You had to just rip off that little tiny piece. Too small. Come on, dude. That was giant. That was too big.
It's just full good.
Right, but take smaller bites, please. Apparently it's passing the test because he's eating the whole thing.
And a little too juicy, I think.
What?
Never too.
What's the first thing that comes into your head?
Right? Nothing.
What's the first thought when you take a bite of that?
Juicy, salty. Just good.
Goodness all over?
Yeah. I don't even know how to explain it. Oh, I just got a really soft piece.
Super tender.
Look.
Oh. Looks like it's melting. Yeah. Wow. That's a big piece you put in your mouth there. That's good.
It's good.
You don't have to finish all of it.
I don't want it.
Wasn't expecting you to.
You destroyed like so much of it.
But that's good.
You done?
Mm-hmm.
What do I get? Like, what kind of thumbs up?
What should people do if they like this video?
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Backyard Barbecue Rules.